In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade on TradingView using your Deriv account, making the most of the integration between TradingView charts and the Deriv X trading platform. This connection allows you to analyze markets using TradingView's powerful tools and execute trades directly within a seamless interface, all from within the Deriv ecosystem. First things first, you'll need access to a Deriv account. If you don't have one yet, signing up is straightforward and free. Just visit the Deriv website, fill out a few details, and you'll be ready to join the trading community. If you're already part of the Deriv family, go ahead and log into your existing account. Once you're in, it's time to set up a Deriv X account. For this, navigate your way over to the Traders Hub. Here, you'll find a section labeled Deriv X. Select the option to get a Deriv X account. This process is simple and intuitive, giving you access to a new world of trading opportunities right at your fingertips. Now, let's talk about accessing TradingView. Within your newly created Deriv X account, look for the Tools menu. This is where the magic happens. Click on it, and you should see the option for TradingView integration. Selecting this will allow you to load TradingView's advanced charts directly into your workspace. With the charts up and running, you're now poised and ready to trade. Here's how it works. You select your desired instrument right from the TradingView environment that's integrated into Deriv X. Place your trades directly on this platform. It's as straightforward as it sounds. The benefits of this setup are numerous. Most importantly, it provides an integrated trading experience, meaning you can do both market analysis and trading without switching between different platforms. This is particularly useful for streamlined decision-making and capitalizing on market opportunities as they arise. Another huge advantage is access to TradingView's comprehensive suite of technical analysis tools. Whether you're drawing trend lines, analyzing patterns, or using indicators, you will find the tools are right at your disposal, adding an extra dimension to your trading strategies. As for compatibility, worry not. This integration works smoothly on both the desktop and mobile versions of Deriv X. So whether you prefer trading from your computer or on the go from your smartphone, you'll have a consistent experience tailored to your needs. And if you're keen on practicing your strategies without risking real money, Deriv X offers a practice mode. Here, you can use a demo account to refine your skills, test new tactics, and build your confidence using the exact same tools available in a live trading environment. And there you have it, an easy, efficient way to harness the power of TradingView directly through your Deriv account, raising your trading game with a blend of cutting-edge tools and seamless execution capabilities.